Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to deal with means how to perform correlation in R, means in R software. Everybody is knowing that R is an open source software, and how how we can perform correlation in R. Uh, in this slide, we are going to deal with that. Basically, we have a different sets of data, and my data is actually a NTFP. This is my data name, and for performing correlation in R, we have to search in a library with this name, means core, CORR, and by the use of this library, we can easily perform correlation in R. Yes, this is basically a library available in R, and by this library you can just download this core to perform the correlation. And after that, means what is the name of the my correlation, means if we will not means aggregate this data by the different name, each and every time we have to write this elaborative equations. That's why for removing these elaborative equations, once we have to aggregate this whole equation with some small name, so that means in NTFP, means this is my data name NTFP, and in that data I am just going to take three variables, means annual income from NTFP, income from agriculture, and total annual income. Means we have to just look only the relation, means correlation between these three, only these three variables. And that's why we have taken these three variables from this data set, and I have given this whole equation a simple name, means NTFP data 2. And now after that, just we have written this core. This is a short form for correlation, and this data name means what we have small name, what we have given to this whole equation, we have just put this name over here, and then summary NTFP data 2, and by this just we will finally click the enter, and we will get final this, means then we will get a result, then we will get a result finally. And thank you.